What's going on, everybody? This is Cliff with Pan Flamingo Power Wash. Back with another video for you guys. We're over here today in Citrus Park, Florida. We're doing a customer that I was just here about maybe 6 months ago. I put him on the maintenance plan. He asked me to come back, you know, pretty much every 6 months just to tighten up the property. I'm gonna be doing the driveway, the pool deck area, pool screen. I got Steve with me today, my boy up there. We about to do the gutters this time. If you guys are able to get these customers on the maintenance plan, so you don't have to get as much customers, you know what I'm saying? You can just go ahead and have them lined up, ready to go. We have 3 jobs on the schedule today. Start with the driveway while Stevie's doing the gutter clean out up there. Tag teaming. Let's go, man.
Now, how about drums? An instrument everybody loves.
Alright guys, we're over here all done with the driveway. Got some post treatment on it, just to make it pop a little bit more. All right, so this is the pool deck. Not terribly bad. Like I said, I just did this about 6 months ago, so you know what I'm saying, it's still kind of clean. Got some spots on it that needs to be hit. The water settles back here real bad, so that's why this part right here is really dirty. Same thing with over here. I did the pool enclosure, all the white, you know what I'm saying, around. Shoot, still look good, man. All right guys, we got the deck all done, all cleaned up. All the algae that was right here in this corner is gone. A little standing water right there, but clean water. The enclosure wasn't that bad, so basically I just rinsed it with a ball valve. All right, man, we're gonna pack up and head to the other job. All right, guys, we over here at the second job of the day. We got a driveway cleaning here we're doing. We're in Lutz, Florida, which is north of Tampa. Like I said, it's my neck of the woods. And after that, we do have 2 docks in the same area. Doing the driveway. We're gonna turn the pressure down when we do this area. We're gonna downstream it, but we're gonna lower the pressure just so we don't pull none of that paint up, just in case. We're also doing a pool deck, a pool screen back here. I got Steve watering down the plants to start off before we get on it. We got some nice plants, so we don't want to damage anything. I got Steve watering down the plants. A little plant protection. I don't know nothing about plants, man, so I always wet them down. I'm not sure which ones are more sensitive than others, so I just take precaution and went down every plant I see. All right, guys, we got the pool deck soaked up, letting it dwell for a little bit as we rinse down the pool enclosure from the outside. I always rinse from the outside in, just so I don't blow dirt back in, you know what I'm saying? So if I clean from the outside in, then I can just blow the dirt back outside, you know what I'm saying? So it makes it easier and keeps everything clean. All right, guys, we all done with the back. We're gonna start doing the front of the house now. Steve is downstreaming the driveway. Then we got 2 more docks. We're doing 2 more docks after this job right here. The driveway is not too bad. It's a painted driveway, so we got to be careful not to lift the paint up. Same thing with the deck. So what I did was I cracked the ball valve down a little bit, just so I can reduce the pressure on that painted pool deck. So I'm doing the same thing on the driveway here, just for precautions. All right, guys, so we got Steve doing the deck over here using the white tip. right, guys, got the deck done. It's pure water. Took a little while, way longer than I expected, but we got it done. Still got some daylight. Gonna go knock out one more. This customer has 2 docks. Crazy how his house is in between 2 lakes. The lake is on the other side of the house, but all the algae is gone. Over here was really bad. Still kind of wet, but for the most part everything looks good. So right now it is, see what time it is. It is 6 o'clock. I'm gonna bet that the other one probably takes me an hour. So 7 o'clock I should be done. Whew. All right, guys, we're done for the day, man. Well, these decks are no joke, but we got them done, man. I got a video for you guys coming up. I already recorded it already. I'm gonna show you guys the van setup for those that's been asking. I'm gonna show you the whole layout of the van. Also, I'm gonna show you a lineup of the chemicals I carry in the van. As far as this deck, of course, all we're using is water, because you know what I'm saying, for the Clean Water Act, can't use no chemicals. So this is the best it's gonna look. So let's check it out. All right, all the algae is gone on top of it. All the dead organics. Still wet, of course, but this is it. It's gonna dry up and look like this area. All right, guys, I thank y'all for subscribing and checking out the videos. Hit that bell notification so you know when I upload a new video. With that said, I'm about to wrap up and get out of here. Next job I have tomorrow is gonna be a house wash and roof cleaning for this customer that I cleaned a pool cage from about a year ago. They're getting the house painted, so they're gonna go ahead and get the house washed and the roof done before they get it painted. So I'll be taking y'all with me to check out what I'm saying and do this job. All right, guys, see you next video.